like to congratulate all the top sellers and awardees for tonight. So let's give them all a hand. So to our top sellers and awardees, you deserve this moment. You earned this stage. Because every time that you decide to show up for yourself, that's when you take the next step towards success. So I would like to share with you a quote that has guided me for years. And that is, in life, you don't get what you want or what you need. You get what you deserve. Do you agree? And in real estate, the first step to getting what you deserve is simply by showing up.